Well, hello there, YouTube friends. Thanks for stopping by my channel again. And thanks to all the ones just seeing my channel for the first time. I like doing cast iron cooking in large skillets. I have a large skillet I picked up at the flea market for $7 used. Awesome skillet. I use it all the time. That is an 8-inch, I believe. A week ago I bought the 10 1/4 inch large, brand new. Works great. I've done cooked in it several times. I wanted to make some chili, and I've got this pot made in China. Got some rust in it. I give up on it. I can't get the rust out. I have cooked in it, but today I bought the large deep skillet. I've already got a pot of chili started in there. Large. Says you can use it to cook a roast, fried chicken, bread, make a stew. But it's about 3.5 inches deep compared to the skillet. Big difference. Don't have a lid, but I can always put a glass lid on top of that. I'm frying some hamburger meat. Or drain the juice, the grease off the meat, put it in my chili. I have McCormick's chili sauce, mild. What I put in there was diced tomatoes with roasted garlic and onion and green chili pepper, light red kidney beans, Bush's chili beans with chili sauce in them. I have another can of kidney beans I thought about putting in, but I'm not. I'm going to add tomato sauce here in a few minutes. I normally put in tomato juice. Rather than buy the tomato juice, I just went to go with this. Did not drain the water off the beans as I normally do. So that gave it some juice. Like I say, I've done put the seasoning in. 2 cans of beans, 2 cans of tomatoes. I showed you what kind of beans and tomatoes I was using. Hamburger meat's browning pretty good. Got this little large skillet or pan with 2 handles, picked up at the flea market for $5. Large, upside down, large. That's 3 and 1. 4 pieces of large cast iron. Made in Tennessee, and I happen to be here in Tennessee right now. I have been to the large store many years ago down in Sevierville, Tennessee. I might come back with a part 2 and show you the finished chili, but right now I'm going to drain this meat, add it into my mixture, and add the tomato sauce. Give you guys one more look. First time using this. I bought it less than an hour ago. It's supposed to come pre-seasoned. I've done used this one I bought a week ago several times. I fried, I don't know what all I fried. Spam and eggs, fish patties, salmon patties. Please click like on the video and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming back with something else. Truck camping, fishing, cooking on the lake, cooking on the river, Coleman stove, camping with my lodge. I'll be back. Y'all have a good day now.